हाय गाइस, यहाँ पे आज जो है आईसीएआई ने सीए एग्जामिनेशन जुलाई 21 को लेके जो है एक लाइव वेबिनार कंडक्ट किया था। यहाँ पे जो है आईसीएआई के प्रेसिडेंट सर ने भी कुछ मैसेज दिया था स्टूडेंट्स को। सो आप ये वीडियो में देख सकते हो। आगे बढ़ने से पहले गाइस आईसीएआई की अपडेट्स एंड नोटिफिकेशन के लिए हमारे चैनल को जरूर से सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।
Today the subject is vulnerable but invincible, an approach to examination. I think let me discuss about the examination which will commence in July. Originally the exams were planned in May 21. Thereafter, because of lockdowns, we had to postpone it to July. And for intermediate and final, the exams are scheduled to commence from 5th July. Now a student that in some states there are still lockdowns and whether exams will happen. The Vice President very rightly mentioned that the decision will be taken in the best interest of students. We will not compromise with your health and your life. So when we find that there is no risk, exam will be conducted. And this 5th July date has been selected after looking at the data of the COVID positive cases last year and even this year. Kanpur IIT has published today on the basis of data analytics how many cases will be positive around 5th of July. And they are showing the figure of daily cases around 35 to 40,000. Now last year in November 20 when we commenced the exam, daily cases were in the range of 50,000. So you try to understand what is the position of the institute. Every 6 months, 3 lakh students appear. And we can't put the career of students on hold for a very long time. At the same time, we can't compromise with their health, with the risk which is attached to their health and life because of corona. So we are making a thorough survey and we are keeping eye on what is happening. As Vice President mentioned, exams will certainly be held from 5th July if the conditions are very conducive. But if at all the conditions do not improve, then we have several options for conducting exam, either to postpone or conduct in some areas, postpone in some areas, and the examination committee will take right decision at right time. But for the time being, please prepare wholeheartedly without losing any time. And your exams are likely to happen or are to happen on 5th July itself. So you should not be caught unprepared when the exams are scheduled in advance, particularly where, and I would personally feel that at this age you are getting the training to prepare yourself for uncertain conditions. The disaster has happened, the epidemic has struck the entire world, and you are not the only ones who are affected. Even chartered accountants, businessmen, government, all entities all across the globe are affected by COVID. And in this uncertain atmosphere and conditions, we have to plan our affairs. We can't put an end to our day-to-day life. We have to see that we progress in our career also. But I can assure you once again that we will take every care that we took at the time of November 20 and January 21 examination. Now coming to your preparations and particularly for exam, CA exams, once you are prepared, I don't think the exams or your position is vulnerable. If you are fully prepared, then you are certainly going to be invincible. आप अजय बनोगे. So don't have any apprehensions about your success. Only your serious and sincere preparation is required. And if you have planned it well, then you will certainly be successful. Vice President also mentioned about so many initiatives that Board of Studies took last year and this year. Particularly these virtual classes are to facilitate you at the time when you can't go and attend any classes outside. And your entire syllabus is covered in virtual classes, which should facilitate you and give you a lot of confidence. GMCS, ITTR also conducted on as regular basis as possible. You have advantages of revision test papers coming to you on time, mock tests happening where you can test yourself and find out where you need to prepare more. So take these new circumstances, which are abnormal as compared to 2 years back circumstances. But these circumstances are becoming new normal and we have to be used to it. I wish you all the best for exam.
गाइस, तो प्रेसिडेंट सर ने जो मैसेज दिया है उसके ऊपर आपका क्या ओपिनियन है, आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर से बताइए। एंड गाइस, आप कोई भी आईसीए की अपडेशन नोटिफिकेशन मिस ना करो, उसके लिए हमारे चैनल को जरूर से सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।